No standing required. Just 15 minutes of this gentle chair routine melts stubborn belly fat and eases knee stiffness, giving you powerful legs and a youthful, energized body. Let's begin. Next movement, seated hip opener. Keep your spine tall. Step your feet wide, then close. This fires up your thighs and melts lower body fat. Feel your leg muscles tightening and working. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Next movement, seated chest expansion. Pull your arms back wide, squeeze your shoulder blades. This completely clears shoulder and neck blockages while tightening your upper core. Feel your upper back heating up. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, two, one, go. Next movement, seated waist slimmer. Reach one arm overhead, bend deeply to the side. This targets stubborn love handles and relieves lower back stiffness. Feel the intense contraction along your waistline. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Next movement, seated waist slimmer, other side, switch arms, reach up and bend to the opposite side. This flattens your stomach and slims your waist. Feel the deep burn as you sculpt your core. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Next movement, alternating overhead arcs, circle your arms up to the ceiling one by one. This promotes anti-aging by reversing joint age and melting upper body fat. Feel your metabolism firing up. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, seated leg extensions. Alternately straighten your legs out in front. Lock your core. This builds powerful thigh muscles to protect your knees and burn massive calories. Feel your quads tightening. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, seated spine extension. Move your hands from your chest to behind your head, tilting back. This helps clear neck blockages and reverse joint age. Feel the deep stretch in your upper spine. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, seated arm circles. Roll your arms forward and backward smoothly. This helps melt upper body fat and reverse shoulder age. Feel the heat building up in your upper back. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, seated ankle rotations. Flex your feet and rotate your ankles firmly. This helps reverse joint age and relieve lower leg stiffness. Feel the circulation returning to your feet. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, alternating shoulder shrugs. Lift and lower your shoulders one by one. This helps clear shoulder and neck blockages and relieve stiffness. Feel the muscle tension completely melting away. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, seated knee raises. Alternately drive your knees up high, lock your core. This helps burn belly fat and flatten your stomach. Feel your lower ABS firing up. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, leg meridian slapping. Firmly slap your thighs and calves downward. This helps clear lower body blockages and melt stubborn body fat. Feel the intense warmth traveling through your legs. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, seated leg stomps. Lift your thighs high, drive your feet down smoothly. This helps melt stubborn thigh fat and reverse knee age. Feel your lower body warming up. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, seated alternating kicks. Kick your legs straight out, tighten your core. This helps burn belly fat, slim your waist, and relieve joint stiffness. Feel the deep burn in your quads. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, seated march and swing. Pump your arms vigorously while marching your feet. This fires up your metabolism, melts body fat, and flattens your stomach. Feel your heart rate rising nicely. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, parallel foot shifting. Keep your knees close, shift your feet side to side. This targets lower ABS, slims your waist, and strengthens hips. Feel your deep core muscles engaging. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, alternating arm extensions. Stretch your arms overhead, then reach straight forward. This completely clears shoulder and neck blockages while burning upper body fat. Feel your upper body lengthening. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Next movement, seated ankle flex. Pull your toes back firmly, squeezing your calves. This helps reverse joint age, relieve calf stiffness, and boost circulation. Feel the muscle tension in your lower legs. Incredible job completing this 18-minute routine. You've successfully fired up your metabolism, melted stubborn fat, and strengthened your legs for healthy aging. Ready to stay consistent? Write day 1 done in the comments right now to lock in your success.